Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Citi Bank with the Acorns app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your Citi Bank with the Acorns app in order to fund it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, first, log on to the Acorns app. Next, click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. Then on this page here, go into Settings. Next, go ahead and click on Linked Accounts. Then click on Link Another Account. Now, it's either going to ask you to verify your account with your phone number, or you could actually go ahead and connect your bank account by clicking on Citibank. So once you click on Citibank online, it's actually going to prompt you to log into your Citibank app so that you can actually go ahead and select which accounts you want to connect to the Acorns app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.